Roswell Flight Test Crew, here again on day 2 of Xponential. And in the press briefing room behind us, we're getting ready for a big announcement from Jeppeson and Kittyhawk. So let's find out what this is all about.
So I want to start you out with a story, though, just because I'm one of those weird narrative people that likes to tell stories. So I was 21 years old, getting on my private pilot's license. I loved everything aviation. This was it for me. I wanted to fly everything that I could get inside of. And so I had a buddy, he was an airline pilot, so cool. And he gave me his set of old Jeppeson books. It was these leather-bound books full of maps. It was awesome. And I smelled them and I was like, this is it. I'm a real pilot. I've made it. I never thought that I'd be here right now announcing what is not going to be leather-bound books. So without further ado, this is our co-founder and CEO, Jonathan Hegreness.
Cool. Thanks, Joshua. Thanks, everyone. As Josh said, we think about things differently at Kittyhawk, but it's with that understanding of aviation and really that tried and true Jeppeson leather-bound book feel that we built into our products. One of Josh's favorite lines is, drone pilots don't realize that they're aviators, but they're operating in national airspace. We're building products that let those operators be aviators without even knowing it, because it's true to what we believe. So when Josh and I first started, we would design products. He would show me, hey, here's this thing of how it looks. And then we'd say, all right, that's how it was. How should it look going forward? How will it look on a phone? How will it look on a mobile device? How will it talk? How will it connect? And that's really our thinking about Lance and the greater future of what really got us started on this process of Lance, of UTM, and ultimately this partnership. And for us, we really started to look at who is that partner. And it, again, came back to aviation. This is what we're building for. Right now, there's manned aircraft, there's unmanned aircraft. We differentiate. It won't be too long in the future that we don't differentiate between manned and unmanned. This is air traffic control. This is flight operations. This is what we're building. And this is why, in partnering with Jeppeson, they bring that. They bring the global expertise. And I think most of all, just a passion for this new frontier of what we're going towards. And I want to take just a moment to thank everyone from the Jeppeson team, our team, some people back there, Raj, Nasos. They brought, I want to say, 10 or so people to our offices in San Francisco to start this process. Awesome meeting, going deep into strategy, deep into the details of the product, the engineering. What is this going to look like? And it's been a huge team effort. We're just getting started. This is going to be a massive undertaking that's going to change how we think about airspace, how we think about drone operations, how we think about flight operations. We're super excited to have this level of a partner come with us on this journey and really start what's going to be an incredible future. So with that, I'd like to introduce Mike, the CEO of Jeppeson.
Yeah. I just got a promotion. That's awesome. Actually, I'm Mike Abbott. I lead our data solutions group for digital aviation in Jeppeson. And I would say thank you, John, by the way, and Josh, for all the kind words about Jeppeson. And when we went out and met in San Francisco with these guys, I think it's not surprising after you've heard them talk. There was a bit of passion and excitement in the room, but after we spent some time with them, certainly not only did we realize that there was a real passionate group of people here at Kittyhawk, but there was a lot of smarts, a lot of technological capability, and really importantly, I think, a lot of vision around where they're going to go in the future around supporting commercial drone operations as well as individual drones. But we really like where they're headed on the commercial side. We were really impressed, obviously, with their dedication as well, and their drive to get things done, their ability to innovate quickly and efficiently, and developing a quality platform that's reliable. So we talked for a little while, and what we found was it wasn't long before we started talking about opportunities and then started thinking, if we take the best of what these two entities, organizations can provide, we can really create something that commercial drone operators will find is the most advanced, I think, platform out there that can help them accomplish their mission, which will be supporting their businesses, driving their profitability and growth in ways that they can't do it today. So, Jeppeson, for those of you who don't know, I met a gentleman from AOPA, so I think he knows a little bit about Jeppeson, but I think it's a great thing. From a Jeppeson perspective, we have been around 80 plus years, and for those of you who don't know and flew into DIA, you'll know that the terminal is actually named after Captain Jeppeson because our roots are right here in Denver, actually, so coincidentally. And if you're interested more in that, go to the 6th floor of the terminal as you take the bridge. I think it's the 6th floor across the Concourse A, and there's some kiosks there, and you can learn about Captain Jeppeson and the company he built. And in just a few minutes there, the company he built was based on safety and delivering quality, reliable aviation information to the aviation industry. And the importance and gravity of what we do every day is kind of woven in the fabric of what we do. And we believe, as John mentioned, that manned flight and unmanned flight eventually are going to come together. And it's critical that we bring together the flight information that we provide for manned flight every day, along with what's being done for UAVs in the UTM system to provide a safe environment for everybody that's using the airspace. I think we certainly do other things at Jeppeson, including optimization and operations optimization for commercial aviation, military aviation, business aviation, general aviation, and UAVs are going to go through all of those markets in a variety of ways in the future. So we're really looking forward to the collaboration. There's no doubt about that.